ka sangkadep college Shillong haka khanyo tarik mata ubanai kala penlong ya ka international webinar halo ka pang continuing professional development for teachers ya kani ka webinar laplang nangkat ka jet trailang bat ka English Language Teachers Association of India bat ya kani ka webinar lapli da umetri ka tan ka tho ko puli jong ka sarkar mekhlia uba lakmen Rymbui habakan play ya kani ka webinar ula ong bakalong ka badan kam bakin Nonghikai hakini kisni ke Mynta kini Hap Pynmlien ban pentibet jadi bak kini menyo jeng tebru halor ka komikai jong ka juk ka Mynta khamtam e habalaya ta ka juk jong ka digital.
The digital world, virtual platform is a way forward. So we have this pandemic has teach us, let us learn and relearn, and this continuing professional development for teacher is very important. I have seen that many teachers, we are not, as I said, we are not equipping ourselves to reach the student to the virtual world. That's why even in the school education, the government of Meghalaya have come up with the training program for the teachers, how to teach the student, how to reach out the student through this virtual platform. I'm very happy many of the teachers in the secondary section or higher secondary section, they have used this platform to reach to their student. And we have also seen that many the government of Meghalaya and also the central government through virtual, they have come up with many apps which will empower the teachers to reach the student, and also the student will not lose though they are sitting at home.
Akan dikasih dan langru principal jangka college Dr. Yurika Lengdo kini kai jangka college bak kumjuru kiwi pat kini syamata kiba kentup ya kinong syamata dan ini kiru syampang negeri pat kiri jangka pertai.